Hi guys, it's the Ford Ecosport 2016 and we have the problem with the tailgate, this lock. So sometimes it's open, you see, and sometimes it doesn't open. In summer it's work very good, but in winter when it's very cold, so it sometimes stop working. So today we will remove this, and instead of the old lock we will just change the lock motor or the actuator, or what they call. So you can buy this from eBay or from Amazon. You see, it's the connector and it will change like this. So what this motor, it goes wrong like after 5-6 years, but my one broken, like stop working, I become weak after 8 years. So let's see. And you can buy this on the eBay like $18, $20, $25, and the whole thing, the whole lock is like $40, $50. So let's see, we will try this today. So I have opened the door now, but if you can't open the door, then you will open the rear door and go to the boot side, and you will open these two screws here. This one screw here, axle one of a star, it will take the star key, and one is here. Then there are some cutters, or we can say clips, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and one in the middle, 10 or 11 clips. So we will remove it carefully. Let's see. And here then we'll open this lock. Yes, so with this, the star shape key, yeah. Okay, see this one, we'll put it here. Second one. Yeah, it's the second one. So the first one, the first clip is here. You can see that one. So with this one, it's another one plastic tool. So I'll push, and a little push, and it will this pop up like it. So I have removed this. You see, it's like this. So how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I have some of the clips I am missing. One from here, third, 3 of them I'm missing. So I'll check in the garage and I'll put these 3 missing. Okay, and I have to remove this one, these 3 screws, and the light will go, this light will go out, and then I will change this motor here, that one motor there. Yeah, I will change that one motor. This is the motor. So one this connection disconnect, and 2 connection we have to disconnect, and there are 3 screws. Okay, I think I can also change just from there. Let's see, but it will be very hard. Let's see what I do. So with the 10 number key, we'll remove this one, these 3 screws, 1 2 and 3. These 3 screws will remove with this 10 key. These 3 screws will remove. Okay, so there is one clip here for this you can see for this light, and also a button for the opening. And this thing, this the motor, we will change this motor, so we will just with the screw, you see like this one and remove from there, so it will pop up. And also this remove this clip, so we'll take off this one and we will put the new one. Okay, so this one, you'll press this button here and remove it, push it down, remove it, so this connection is removed from the motor. On the other side, you see, we'll remove this from there and all the motor will be removed. Yeah. Okay, so we have put all the 3 screws, so with the hand tight, like not much more, because these screws are attached to the tail light, and there's glass one, a plastic one, so it's not very strong. So as you see, this much is tight, it's okay, like hand tight, not much more. But when you see, when the light is not moving, and you will put clip here back and this one clip back here. And I will suggest you to put some cloth here, because when you open these screws, so some of the screw maybe chances go inside this tailgate and you can't access to get them back, the screws. So it's better to cover the holes here with the cloth like this, so you will not miss any screw, anything, and you will not drop anything in the tailgate. Okay, as we're missing some screws, so some clips, sorry, as we're missing some clips, so I'll try to put some clips from here, like appropriate, maybe this one. This looks like this one, yeah, maybe this one silver also looks like okay. Yes, we'll take some of this. For this we have like this, you see this one is broken and 3 of them are missing, so we will take from this spares one clips. Okay, so I put these 2 screws back. One is there and one is there, star one, and one clip here, the white one here, one here, the middle one not working, here, one here, and here also the last one is not working, but it's okay, it's secure with this screw and this screw. You see, it's enough strong. Okay, so now it's working perfectly. Let's see, yeah, the other motor is enough powerful. Yeah, you see, the other one was sticking and the last one was, the old one was weak, so we changed it. So let's see how many years it worked. It's the old one. When I was it's still like working, or like when you check the inside the car, so it's still working, you see, but it was very weak. It looks like it's working, but it's very weak because it's now 8 years old. Yeah, it's also written the date of manufacturing, 10th of 7 15 2015. See, 10th of 7 2015, so it's now 9 years old, so that's why it become weak and I change it. So it's called actuator or the motor for the solenoid. So you don't need to buy all the lock and you don't need to open all the lock, just open 3 screws from this tail light, and when you see this one, so you just with this little one you will remove cable from here, and for the new one you will put the cable back here on this way, and the cable end will come here, the cable header end will come here, and you will just push it down so it will go to their place just with a click, and it's the switch here, and it will be like this. Okay, thank you.